Eh? All this online message going on other side when not someone na flow with that your person to take it. So now how no nya fire people now also they are more 1,000.
That is the point, because what the clomid is not egg now. What clomid does is that it tells the ovary to give us more egg. Now, if you are just like you are sitting down here, no matter how much people come here to beg you to give them 100,000, if you don't have 100,000, you cannot give them. It's not wickedness. The ovary cannot give what it doesn't have. And as I say, unlike the sperm, which is produced on request, the whole egg a woman will use in her whole lifetime is already in the ovary. No additional one will be produced again. She cannot produce any other egg again. So what she does is that she keep on pushing the egg. As the month is going on, she will give you one. As the month is going, she will give you one. And sometimes the egg will not come out. So the egg might go, reach at the surface of the ovary. They will get trapped without coming out. Because ovulation simply means that the egg has broken up and come out for fertilization. When that happens, you will now have polycystic ovarian syndrome, because most of the egg that was supposed to ovulate was never ovulated, so they got trapped in the ovary. So by the time you start looking at the ovary, you small things that look like small sand in the ovary. That is the origin of polycystic ovarian disease. I don't know if you understand. So after the polycystic ovarian disease, we have another thing called polycystic ovarian syndrome. They are not the same thing. In polycystic ovarian disease, you just see small thing in the ovary, which the ultrasound will see. But in addition to that, that person might have a phone, that person might have hairs. I don't know if you understand. The person might be dark in complexion. The person might be big. And when you look at the other thing that talks about polycystic ovarian disease, then when other symptoms are there apart from the polycystic ovary, that becomes polycystic ovarian syndrome. Syndrome means two or more disease coming together. So that is a different thing. That one you can give metformin, you can give clomid. If you give clomid in polycystic ovarian disease, it can work. That is when the person is ready. Some of them will come here and say, "Doctor, I want to be seeing my period." If you look at it and this person is having polycystic ovarian disease and the husband is not around and he's not even willing to take it now, the idea is, why are we disturbed? In fact, some of them that want to take it, there's some drugs you can give them over 1 month. At the end of the month, they will have withdrawal bleeding. That is not real ovulation. It just gives them the feeling that they are actually a woman. I don't know if you understand. But when they want to take in, you can bring them and calculate the time. You give them clomid. By the time you give them 2 months, the organ will be there.